Hi, this is Stephen from Database Tycoon, and I have something very exciting to announce this week. My team and I have been working on a product called the Local Stack. This is a pip installable CLI product that is intended to help teams get up and running with a pre-selected stack of open source data tools with the intent of getting up and running as quickly as possible. So where in the past, a data engineer or data analyst may have had to go and install each tool one by one, this package called Tycoon, when you run it in your terminal, you'll get a chance to install all the subsequent products that you need, like DLT, DBT, and a few others that I've included in the stack. So what makes it unique from other products? Well, it's fully local. So part of the benefit is that when you install the product, you can actually run the entire stack on your own computer hardware. There are no connections to the external cloud or external internet unless you would like there to be, and that option is there as well. But it's super useful for prototyping and for getting something up and running very quickly. It's pre-baked with a demo API. There is a commonly used Pokemon API available that is a free API for anyone to use. So you can start today by connecting to that API as part of the Tycoon init process. If you don't provide a URL, it just uses that by default. So it's a great way to get started, even if you don't have a particular data source in mind. Now, if you do have a particular data source in mind, you can either add it directly using the API credentials and all the details about the API source, or you can use a list of sources that are already preloaded into the tool. So for example, GitHub, Stripe, HubSpot, and Slack, and Notion actually are all already supported by the tool. So you can add them as needed by typing Tycoon data sources add, and then the name of the source that you'd like to add. I'm also working on some local AI features for this as well. Keep an eye out for this in future releases of the tool, but I would like you to be able to converse with a local LLM in order to make changes to the product, but that is still in the works. And yeah, there's a bunch of other great features that it has, so I would encourage you to go give it a try, download it from pip, and let me know if you have any feedback. Really appreciate it.